Welcome to another English review. Today we will be reviewing a beer from White Dog Brewery, and they are, of course, from the Netherlands. And you can see the little white dog. That's why it's called the White Dog Brewery. Um, Check out the label, pretty nice. Um, I had a couple of beers from this brewery, and they are relatively new. They are established in 2016, and we are reviewing today a New England double IPA called Galaxy Marmalade, a 8.3% double IPA. This one is best before date is 03/2020. 22. I mean, ingredients are a golden promise oats, wheat. The hops are Citra Incognito Amarillo Galaxy juice machine. 44 centiliters, and this one is brewed at Boxbier in Groningen. Really loving this brewery. They got a variety of beers. They made a killer Pilsner, probably one of the best Pilsners I've had this year from the Netherlands. Maybe not only from the Netherlands, but maybe the best Pilsner I had this year overall. It is a cracking beer. Really nice. So yeah, can't wait to try this. Let's open it up and see what she looks like. The last few years in the Netherlands, IPAs are pretty big. You got a couple of breweries making only IPAs, and yeah, the standard is really high. So yeah, can't wait to try this one. Pours a yellow hazy color, as you can see. With a nice firm white hat, not really big, but looks really nice. Let's go to the nose. Yeah, that's a juice bomb, all right. It's got that melon vibe, some citrus. Let's see what the hops are. Yeah. Really tropical fruits. Let's have a sip. Cheers. Pineapple. Pineapple. Nice carbonation to it. Loads of pineapple. Some citrus. Nice bitterness. Not too much, but just right. This is lovely. This is lovely. Yeah, another really solid beer from White Dog Brewery. I don't know if they sell this over in the UK, for example. I have not seen it at on Instagram outside of the Netherlands. But yeah, if you if you find this, if you find any beer from White Dog Brewery, definitely buy it because it's a really nice brewery, and yeah, bit of a fanboy over here of this brewery, and yeah, like I said, their Pilsner is really awesome, and yeah, it's my favorite Pilsner of this year. Um, really nice, and it's a core range beer they did. It's a beer they put in their core range. Um, Not a one-off or a season thing, or yeah, they make it and you can buy it all through the year. So that's awesome. Yeah, this is a really nice double IPA. If you want to know the score, go to my Untapped. You will find it there. Let me know what you think of White Dog Brewery if you had it. But I don't think anyone outside of the Netherlands had this before. But for the Dutch viewers, let me know if you had this beer. Let me know. Yeah, another English review in the books. Hope you like it. Should I do more? I probably will, but I'm asking you anyway. Another lovely double IPA from White Dog Brewery. I'm gonna enjoy this the rest of this beer, and hopefully I will see you again really soon with another English review. Cheers.